Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the source phone is ready. Backup contacts to the cloud or a local file right now and enable contacts sync in account settings. Once done, sign into the same Google, iCloud, or manufacturer account on the new phone and install any companion apps for migration. Make sure both devices are on stable Wi-Fi and charged above 50%. This avoids interrupted transfers and ensures the contact list is current before you proceed to the actual migrations. Now you perform the transfer. Choose the simplest path for your setup. Use native account sync, the phone maker's transfer app, or export a VCF from the old device and import on the new one. When prompted, grant contacts and storage permissions, then select all contacts you want to move. Start the operation and watch the progress indicator. Confirm the number of transferred contacts matches the original list. If counts differ, pause and check for grouped or account-specific contacts that may need separate exports. To finish, you verify the import. Open the Contacts app, spot check entries, and merge duplicates where needed so names link to the right numbers. Make sure contacts from different accounts or the SIM are visible by toggling account filters. If a subset is missing, re-export afresh. VCF from the old phone or force a manual resync of the account on the new device, then reboot both phones and recheck. One key tip: if things go wrong, export contacts to VCF and import it directly on the new phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.